guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm just coming on very quickly to share with you a card that I recently made. Now, some of you will know that my eldest daughter has just graduated from university. She got a 2-1 in sociology, and I am so proud of her because it has been incredibly hard, particularly given the current circumstances, and she's been unable to have a graduation because of obviously all the COVID stuff, and she's handled it all so well and so maturely, so I couldn't be more proud of her. She's done phenomenally well to get such a good grade. Yeah, so I'm super proud of her, and I made her a card to celebrate. So this is the card that I made. It is obviously a graduation cap. It's an easel card, so it stands up on its point there. I've made a tassel in the colours of her university, so the colours that her gown would have been for her cap and gown graduation. We are still hoping that she'll get one, but it'll probably be next year now before she gets one. So obviously it's the pop-up card. I've made the easel part and cut out the congratulations, the 2020 and the stars, and I've heat embossed them all in a gold embossing powder. I'm trying to remember which one it was. I think it was Mirror Gold from Sweet Dixie. I think it was that one. And then I have popped this layer up on some cardboard. So I've got the black cardboard layer, the white cardboard layer, and I've put some cardboard underneath that to lift it up, and that's what gives the point of the cap something to rest into. So that's what it looks like from the side. So it is a proper sort of easel shape. And you've got like the triangle on the back there coming all the way round to the front. I copied a tutorial for this one. It was from Sam Calcott UK Mixed Up Craft. So I will leave the link to her in the description box below, but I will also put an end card on to the video that I followed. So obviously I'm not going to do a tutorial for this one, because her tutorial was fantastic. The only thing I changed was I made this strip here longer because obviously I needed to fit my sentiment, so you might need to just adjust that depending on your sentiment that you're going to use. I have layered my sentiment up. I've probably put about 3 layers of cardstock together and then heat embossed that to give it that more sort of dimensional feel to the wording. And then on the back I stamped this "Winners never quit, quitters never win," and again I heat embossed it in the same colour that I used to heat emboss the wording on the front. The tassel I just made out of embroidery floss, like I say, in the colours of her university, and I have put a dab of hot glue up there to keep the tassel up so that you could see the 2020 on the cap there. And then I have popped some of these really beautiful gold flatback rhinestones around. I love these. I've ordered some more. I use them on so many projects. They look like the sort of hot fix type ones, but they're not hot fix. And I use them loads because they are really pretty, and they just sort of go with anything. So it was really easy to use. You didn't need tons and tons of dies. The actual cap, the only thing you really needed was a circle punch or a circle die to cut the centre of the cap out. Everything else was done just using my cutting board. Obviously I have used a die cutter to do the 2020 and the congratulations there. She hadn't put the date on her cap, but I just thought it looked really cool, and it's nice for them to have the year that they graduated. So I just added that bit on. So yeah, that's what I made for my daughter's graduation. It does fold flat, so you could pop that in an envelope and post it. So it does fold reasonably flat. It would probably be a large letter in England because of the dimension on it, but it folds flat enough to post it for sure. So and it was really fun to make, really easy to make, and didn't take me too long at all. I really enjoyed it, so I totally recommend this card if you want to make a graduation card, and I recommend Sam's channel. I've only just found her whilst looking for a graduation card to make, and she's got so many fantastic, particularly if you like the sort of dimensional type cards that have got a bit of something different about them. She seems to make quite a lot of those, so I would recommend going over and having a look if you haven't already. She's got thousands and thousands and thousands of subscribers, so I would imagine that you probably all already know her, but I've only just found her. So that's it from me for now. I will see you all again very soon in another crafty video. Bye for now.